A normal tap consumes 12 liters of water each minute, but a simple device can cut the water consumption in half.
This is an aerator. It mixes water with air so that the pressure feels the same, but you use less water.
The aerator is very easy to change. All Grundfos employees can now buy the water-saving aerator for the private homes.
Thank you. You're welcome.
When you buy the aerator, you will reduce the water consumption and save money in your private home. But at the same time, you will help people in need of clean water. The surplus from the sale goes directly to Water to Life's work in Vietnam.
In Grundfos, we take the need for reducing water consumption seriously. That's why we have a water strategy, and that's why we take our own medicine. Wherever possible, in all Grundfos companies all over the world, all water taps now have the specific water-saving aerators installed.
By changing the simple device in all Grundfos taps, it is possible to save 50% of the total water consumption. That is 12 million liters of tap water every year.
On 20th of March, we celebrate UN's World Water Day. And there's no better way of doing that than saving a lot of water here in Grundfos and offering us as employees the possibility to do the same at home.
Find out how to buy the aerator at your local Grundfos company and start saving water today.